Children, in this video we will study about the tissue. As you already know, tissue is a group of cells arranged and designed so as to give the maximum efficiency in function. They work together to achieve the particular function. Children, tissues are divided into two categories, plant tissue and the animal tissue. And as you already studied that plant tissues are further classified into meristematic tissue and the permanent tissues. Yes, now we will study about the meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue are further classified into meristematic tissue, that is classified into primary secondary tissues and apical intercalary lateral tissues. Based on the location and based on the origin, it is divided into primary and secondary tissue. Meristematic tissue is a simple living tissue which keep dividing throughout their life, and they have thin primary cells made up of cellulose, mostly dense cytoplasm, prominent nuclei, and the few or no vacuoles are present in the meristematic tissue. They keep on dividing. They are found in growing regions at the example root and shoot tips. They may be spherical, oval, rectangular, or polygonal in shape. They are classified on the basis of origin into primary and secondary tissue. Primary tissue that comes from embryo. Secondary, they are formed by permanent tissue जब cells divide हो जाती हैं. Cells are derived from the primary meristem and the cells of the secondary tissue from the primary permanent tissue.